Do you want to learn English vocabulary faster and improve your speaking skills quickly? Welcome to Just Say English. I'm Ramo, and today I'll guide you through a full English practice session that will help you sound more confident in conversations. In this video, we'll go through 4 steps. 1. Listening practice. 2. Vocabulary practice. 3. Listen and answer. 4. Shadowing practice. Take your time, repeat out loud, and don't worry about mistakes. Let's begin. Part 1. Listening practice. Listen carefully to this conversation. Try to understand the meaning, not just the words. Sophie, I'm so hungry. This cafe looks good from the outside. Leo, you can say that again. I haven't eaten since breakfast. Sophie, let's look at the menu. $12 for a salad? That's a bit expensive. Leo, yeah, I agree, and the portions don't look very big either. Sophie, let's try somewhere else. Leo, good idea. There's a small restaurant around the corner. Sophie, wow, this place feels cozy. The prices are much better here. Leo, yes, and the food smells fresh. Sophie, what do you think of this grilled chicken plate? Leo, it looks delicious. You should order it. Sophie, I think I will. It's only $9 and it comes with rice. That's a good deal. Leo, I'll try the soup and a sandwich. I need something warm and filling. Sophie, that sounds nice. I hope the food tastes as good as it looks. Leo, me too. We really see eye to eye when it comes to choosing restaurants. Sophie, true. We both want tasty food at a fair price. Leo, exactly. Let's order before we get hungrier. Sophie, yes, let's do it. Part 2. Vocabulary practice. Now let's review some important phrases. You can say that again. This means, I completely agree with you. Examples, this weather is freezing. You can say that again. The test was really difficult. You can say that again. The concert was amazing. You can say that again. See eye to eye. This means to agree or share the same opinion. Examples. My friend and I don't always see eye to eye on politics. We see eye to eye about movies. We both love comedies. The teachers don't see eye to eye about homework. When it comes to, we use this to introduce a topic. Examples. When it comes to technology, my brother knows a lot. When it comes to sports, I enjoy basketball the most. When it comes to food, nothing beats homemade cooking. Remember, repeat these phrases many times. The more you use them, the more natural they'll become. Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Now, I'll ask you some questions about the conversation. Answer out loud before I give the answer. Was Sophie full at the beginning? No, she was hungry. She said she was starving. What did Leo say to agree with her? He said, you can say that again. How much was the salad at the cafe? $12. Did Sophie think the salad was cheap? No, she thought it was expensive. Why didn't they stay at the cafe? Because the food was too expensive and the portions looked small. Where did they go after leaving the cafe? They went to a small restaurant around the corner. How did Sophie describe the second restaurant? She said it felt cozy, and the prices were better. What did Sophie want to order? A grilled chicken plate with rice for $9. What did Leo order? Soup and a sandwich. What did Sophie hope about the food? She hoped it would taste as good as it looked. Do Sophie and Leo see eye to eye? when it comes to restaurants? Yes, they both want tasty food at a fair price. What did they decide to do at the end? They decided to order their meals. Extra practice. When it comes to choosing restaurants, what do you usually look for? Answer out loud with your own opinion. Part 4. Shadowing practice. Now let's do shadowing. Repeat after the speakers, copying their rhythm and intonation. I'm so hungry. This cafe looks good from the outside. You can say that again. $12 for a salad? That's expensive. Yeah, I agree. The portions don't look very big. Let's try somewhere else. Good idea. There's a restaurant around the corner. Wow, this place feels cozy. The prices are much better. Yes, and the food smells fresh. What do you think of this grilled chicken plate? It looks delicious. You should order it. I think I will. It's only $9. I'll try the soup and a sandwich. That sounds nice. I hope the food tastes good. We really see eye to eye when it comes to restaurants. Yes, we both want tasty food at a fair price. Let's order before we get hungrier. Yes, let's do it. Great job. You've just finished a full English speaking practice with me, Ramo, here on Just Say English. For best results, repeat this video every day for 1 week. Answer the questions out loud, practice the vocabulary, and shadow the lines until they feel natural. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.